Hello everyone, welcome to Anvi Hearing. Today I'm going to talk about if all hearing aids are the same. If you're new to hearing aids, you might wonder, aren't all hearing aids the same? They aren't. The highly advanced hearing aids of today differ widely in terms of appearance, technology, and functionality. Your lifestyle, personal preferences, and hearing needs will all play a role in selecting the best one. Let's examine the distinctive features of each hearing aid in more detail. Different types of hearing aid. We provide a range of hearing aid varieties at Anvi Hearing to accommodate various needs. Behind the ear, which is BTE. Different types of hearing aids, including a behind the ear, which is BTE model, displayed on a white background. Conveniently worn behind the ear, these aids are attached to an earpiece that fits into the ear canal. Suitable for mild to severe hearing loss. Durable and easy to handle. Available with rechargeable options and Bluetooth connectivity. Receiver in canal, which is RIC. Smaller and less noticeable than BTEs, RIC hearing aids place the receiver inside the ear canal, enhancing sound clarity and naturalness. In the ear, which is ITE. ITE hearing aids are placed in the outer portion of the ear. In the ear, hearing aids shown fitted comfortably inside the ear of an adult. Easier to insert and remove. Larger battery and more feature options. Good for those who prefer a simple, accessible design. Completely in canal, which is CIC, and invisible in canal, which is IIC. These tiny gadgets are inserted deeply into the canal of the ear, virtually invisible. Best for mild to moderate hearing loss. May require good dexterity for handling. Key features that vary. Modern hearing aids compact with technology. Here are some features that make each device different. Noise reduction for clearer conversations in busy places. Directional microphones to focus on speech in front of you. Rechargeable batteries to avoid frequent battery changes. Bluetooth streaming for TV, audio, music, and phone calls. Telecoils help you hear more clearly in public spaces that use hearing loop systems such as theaters and large event halls. Automatic environment adjustment for seamless listening wherever you go. Modern hearing aid device with Bluetooth streaming for TV audio offered by Anvi Hearing. At Anvi Hearing, we help you choose devices with the features that match your daily life best. Durability and care. Your lifestyle plays an important role too. In general, BTE hearing aids are more resilient and less impacted by moisture or earwax. In the ear and in the canal, devices require more careful maintenance due to their placement inside the ear. Regular cleaning and proper storage can extend the life of any hearing aid you choose. Find the right fit with Anvi Hearing. Book a free hearing test and trial at Anvi Hearing. Choosing the right hearing aid can feel overwhelming, but you don't have to do it alone. At Anvi Hearing, our expert audiologists guide you through hearing tests, explain your options, and recommend the best solution based on your unique needs. Call us at 9658395839 or visit www.anvihearing.com to book your free hearing test and trial today.